Hi Travelers, so today I wanted to do just a quick update for May. Just let you know a couple of things that are going on and what I've been doing in the downtime. So the first thing I want to let you know is that I have been working on my second channel, which is Dean. So you can click the link up in the top right to go and check that one out. So with that channel, I'll be doing sort of more music-based things, reviewing music tools, production tools. I'll be reviewing like different bass guitars, different software drums, stuff like that. But I've decided to kind of try to get 1,000 subscribers on that channel. So if you are interested in music or anything like that, please go ahead and subscribe. The link's just up in the top right hand corner, and I'll put it down in the comments as well. So with regards to backpacks and stuff like that, I do have a couple of interesting bags that I do still intend to do at least kind of a first look hands-on review of. So not a full review, but more just a look at. And so one of those is this here, which is the Ebook, the new backpack from Ebook, which looks really nice and it's quite lightweight. So I'll probably do an unboxing video and a hands-on video with that one very shortly. I also have this Xiaomi backpack, which has a waterproof material and also looks very interesting. So I'll probably do kind of a hands-on look at that one as well very soon. So that's just a bit of a quick update for May to let you know what's going on. I'd also like to show you my cat here. Pixel is his name. He's been in the background of a few videos, but I would like to include him more in future videos as well. So he's like an inside cat, but he's been enjoying the outside quite a lot these days as well. And it's been nice weather the last couple of days, so hopefully you'll stay tuned for more videos. And also, please go ahead and check out my music channel. That's Dean. I'll put a link down below, as I said. And yes, give any comments and suggestions down below as well. And I look forward to sticking with you through the quarantine for as long as it's going to last. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.